vlog. We are in Coron Palawan.
Features on these aircraft that you have on Canada Dash A400 next generation. Please watch the cabin for broadcast.
Po yung environmental fee. So, hello! What's up, you guys? It's Elijah here again, and for today's vlog, we are in Coron Palawan with my pool og ng friends. Sas again! Sas again! Okay guys, so andito kami ngayon sa port ng Calauit Safari, and we actually parked outside lang. Ito yung car na nirent namin, and kumakain lang kami dito sa labas ng Pancit Canton kina ate. Ito na yung lunch namin.
Let's just pretend we're in Japan.
Let's just pretend it's a ramen. Yay! So we are DIYing the Calauit Safari. We paid 700 pesos for the boat ride back and forth na yun.
Mother, it's so nice!
Magsalan ta? Okay. Struggle is real. So, andito na kami sa mga zebras. As you can see, andyan lang naman sila sa tabi-tabi. I'm not sure if we can hold them, but for sure not. And hindi ko rin trip. Baka sikaran nila ako. Baka i-kick nila ako. So guys, this is Bernadette. And this is Bea, Mommy Bea, and Brian!
Relax, kalma.
Oh my God!
Inaapay mong kamot ka.
Huh?
I mean, mo kang pag-grip pa. Lapit ka na ko.
Go guys!
Drop it like it's hot, bro.
Sunod sa sila ninyo. 1, 2, 3.
Say hi to the zebra! Ah, talaga po? Anong oras po?
Thank you, kuya. May kago siya.
Tama na po. Bye-bye po. Okay guys, so meron silang python dito. 24 years?
24 years old. Do you know Faye?
Alaga mo na siya. Yan, pwede.
Okay.
Bye, Brian! Bye! Okay guys, so we didn't know na ganito pala ka-rough yung road dito papuntang Miley's lodging house. Ito yung Airbnb na binook namin.
Sige, go. Good job.
Ganito kaliit yung road.
Perfect for Wigo.
Okay guys, so we just arrived in the Airbnb stay that we booked here in Miley's lodging house. It's actually quite a bit far. We thought that it is super near from Calauit. It's actually near in the maps, but the road is super rough, so it's not too good, but the place is nice. Eating time. Hello, good morning guys. So it's day 2 of our Coron Palawan trip. We are still here in Miley's Lodging Resto Bar. It is located in Busuanga, Palawan. It's actually quite far from Coron town proper. The roads here are super rough, but the view is just super lit and amazing. Ito, I will show you. Look at my view now. Like, oh my god. Our room is over there, and they have an infinity pool, and at the same time they have a restaurant and billiards over there, and our rooms also are really spacious. At the same time they have free breakfast, which we really love. It's just a peaceful place and super serene, yung wala talagang ibang taong pupunta like intentionally. So if you want to book them through Airbnb, you can check the link down below. So after nito, we are going to the Coron town proper because we are going to be meeting with Christian, one of our friends. I'm not sure if we're going to get him in the airport because so super layo talaga ng mga places here in Busuanga. As what I've mentioned earlier in this vlog, we rented out a Wigo, which is around 1,500 per day. Kasi I think it's more convenient if kukuha kami ng own na sasakyan namin so that we can manage our time better. Kasi gusto lang namin chill yung trip na ito. We don't want to be stressed out kasi we still have 5 more days. Oh my god, 5 more days to finish this trip. So it'll be 6 days in Coron, guys, by the way. And usually sinasabi nila na mas maganda daw at least 3 to 4 days lang sa Coron kasi like side trip lang daw. If you're in El Nido, you're in Puerto Princesa, sa amin ginawa talaga namin 6 days. Ewan ko na lang kung hindi pa talaga namin masulit yung Coron. Alright guys, so we are here in Starbucks in Coron and it's super cute. Look. Hello. Thank you. Cheers to the freaking weekend. Hey! Later, we are going to St. Augustine Church. Magsi-city town tour na lang kami kasi wala kaming magagawa. And we already met with our pretty big girl.
I'm also a vlogger.
Big girl? Hi!
Oh, very Ariel.
Alright guys, so we are now here in McKinnon Hot Spring and look at the road. Thank you, Wigo, for being a good sport. Good morning everyone, it's our day 3 here in Coron, and for today we are going to be joining a tour, which is the tour B package. We're just waiting for the van to come. We actually booked our tour here na lang din sa Coron Eco Lodge. I'm pretty sure mag-enjoy kami mamaya, but I hope hindi siya masyadong magiging dark kasi baka magiging bad yung photos. And by the way guys, yesterday was just all about a city tour and the McKinnon Hot Spring. It was good. It was such a huge hot spring. Sobrang therapeutic. Nag-enjoy naman kami doon kahit saglit lang kami pumunta. Kasi hindi pa masyadong tao nung pumunta kami doon. Kasi daw usually in the afternoon pa sila dumadating. Mga 4:30 to 5 p.m. onwards pa dumadating. Kasi yun na yung last sa tour nila. kapag nagpa-package tour kayo. But for us, nagdi-DIY lang kami. So, we went there earlier, kaya wala masyadong tao. For tomorrow naman, we are gonna be going to Kayangan Lake. But we booked a private tour kasi gusto namin magtagal ng konti dun sa Kayangan Lake. Kasi sabi nga ng friend namin si Christian, because he already went here before and he said na Kayangan is like one of the best. So anyway, I see you guys later. Bye! breakfast in the Carinderia there. Spent 90 pesos. And today we are gonna be having a private tour. We are gonna be having a private tour. Number one is Kayangan Lake. So we're just waiting for our van. Sabi niya 7:30 siya dadating, but it's already 7:37. Wait lang. Ipapakita ko sa inyo yung loft na nakuha namin dito sa Coron. Fernvale Leisure Club. So, look at this. This is the top. The top! This is the top part of the loft. And, andun sila sa baba. Man! They have complimentary coffee and tea. Water then. Hello, good afternoon everyone. It's now 1:07 p.m. and my friends are still asleep. We actually ate our breakfast together earlier at around 8:30 a.m. We're still here in Coron and we are now on our 5th day, and tomorrow we will be going back to Cebu in the afternoon at around 2 p.m. This hotel has free airport transfers, so which means we don't need to book for another transfer to Coron. Normally, it will cost you around 250 pesos per head if you want to ride a van to and from Busuanga Airport, only for one way. Okay guys, since I have not been successful dipping in Tirta Pool, I think I'm gonna do it here. If it's raining, I went inside this gazebo where I can pasilo, and someone came in from my me time. Say hi. So it's supposed to be me time became lunchtime and daytime with day. The third time that I sent you this picture. It's another tricycle ride.
Yun ang dialect ng Palawan.
Garlic din siya pero spicy version.
Lamig ka, ma'am.
Dara di ay si Kuya Ruel guys. Ngit-ngit lang gid kaayo. Hi Kuya, say hi sa vlog. Ingna ko na i-book ka.
Go Kuya Ruel.
Book Kuya Ruel guys. Ako ibutang yung number dito sa ubos. Salamat. Good morning. Here's Kuya again.
Ano tapay ng ron?
Aray ko po. Balik mo dito Kuya. So yes, I think that's it for today's video, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye! Bye!